This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to get your screen color back to normal on your Android phone. This is probably just some sort of color filter or something that's on. Swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down and go to where it says accessibility. Then go to where it says vision enhancements. Scroll on down. So you can have one of these things on, like color inversion, color correction or something like that. So you can just turn it off right here. So one more time I can get this. Now right below that is color correction. So just make sure you have this turned off. You can see grayscale is turned on right there. So everything is going to be gray. Then we got color filter. So you can have a color filter on too. So it might be like tinted orange, blue, or red or something like that. Just turn it off right here. So these two options are the ones that change the screen colors. So if you ever get a problem, just change it right here. And you should be good. Here's extra dim too, if you have a dim on or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.